Here's how to download and install the latest drivers for the HP Color LaserJet Pro M452nw on Windows. Turn on the printer. On the printer control panel, turn on wireless. Open Google Charam and in the search bar, type HP Color LaserJet Pro M452nw drivers and hit enter. From the list of search results, go to the HP official website. On the product page, click on the Drivers tab. Select your Windows operating system version from the drop-down menu. Click on Download for the recommended driver, usually the HP Color LaserJet Pro M452 Printer Series PCL6v3 Full Solution. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the driver installation.